ഹലോ എവ്രി വൺ, വെൽക്കം ബാക്ക് ടു യുവർ ഗൈഡ്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ നോക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് അസിസ്റ്റൻറ്റ് ജൂനിയർ അസിസ്റ്റൻറ്റ് LD ക്ലർക്ക് PSC നടത്തിയ 18/12/2021 നടത്തിയ എക്സാമിൻ്റെ പ്രൊവിഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീ പബ്ലിഷ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ കോഡ് 111/2021 നമ്മൾ ആൻസർ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് പോകുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് നിങ്ങളെൻ്റെ ചാനൽ ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് കാണുന്നതെങ്കിൽ പ്ലീസ് ഡു സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ്, ലൈക്ക് ആൻഡ് ഷെയർ മൈ വീഡിയോ. ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ പറയുന്ന ക്ലാസ്സുകളുടെ നോട്ട്സുകൾക്കും ബാക്കിയുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പേഴ്സിനൊക്കെ ആയിട്ട് വീഡിയോയുടെ താഴെ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിലുള്ള വാട്സപ്പ് ഗ്രൂപ്പിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് ആൻസർ കീ ഡിസ്കഷനിലേക്ക് പോകാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, വിച്ച് ഈസ് ദ തീം ഓഫ് ഇൻ്റർനാഷണൽ ഡേ ഓഫ് കോഓപ്പറേറ്റീവ് അലയൻസ്? വിച്ച് ഈസ് ദ തീം ഓഫ് ഇൻ്റർനാഷണൽ ഡേ ഓഫ് കോഓപ്പറേറ്റീവ് അലയൻസ്? ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ് കറക്റ്റായിട്ടുള്ള ആൻസർ, കോഓപ്പറേറ്റീവ് ഫോർ ക്ലൈമറ്റ് ആക്ഷൻ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ഡെമോക്രസി ഇസ് എ ഗവൺമെൻറ് ഇൻ വിച്ച് എവ്രി വൺ ഹാസ് എ ഷെയർ. ഹൂസ് വേർഡ്സ് ആർ ദിസ്? കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ സീലി. ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ് റൈറ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ആൻസർ. അക്കോർഡിംഗ് ടു കേരള കോഓപ്പറേറ്റീവ് സൊസൈറ്റി ആക്ട് 1969, the maximum number of members of a representative general body shall not exceed 500. Option D. A term used for funds borrowed and lent mainly by banks for overnight uses. Correct answer is option B, call money. Who is the head of cooperative department? Option A ആണ് registrar. In India, Cooperative Week is being celebrated every year during the month of? Option B ആണ് November. Cooperation was the only instrument to implement economic progress of democratic India, and the prime importance will be given for the growth and development of the cooperative sector, in which 5-year plans was this statement included? Option A, first 5-year plan. Next question, in the cooperative flag, red color should be at? Option B ആണ് ടോപ്പിലായിരിക്കണം റെഡ് കളർ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, കോഓപ്പറേറ്റീവ് ഹാഡ് നോട്ട് മെഷേർഡ് അപ് ടു ദ എക്സ്പെക്ടേഷൻ ഇൻ മൊബിലൈസിംഗ് ഡെപ്പോസിറ്റ് ആൻഡ് ഡിസ്പേഴ്സിംഗ് ക്രെഡിറ്റ് അറ്റ് ദ റീറ്റെയിൽ ലെവൽ. ഹൂസ് ഒപ്പീനിയൻ വാസ് ദിസ്? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ, റൂറൽ ക്രെഡിറ്റ് റിവ്യൂ കമ്മിറ്റി 1969. Expand JCCU. Correct answer is option C, Japanese Consumers Cooperative Union. Next question, in which year the reformulated principles were adopted by International Cooperative Alliance? 1966. Which one of the following is not a principle of cooperation? Voluntary and closed membership. The details of nominal or associated members are included in Section 18 of the Kerala Cooperative Society Act. Section 18, option C ആണ് റൈറ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ആൻസർ. The jurisdiction of a circle cooperative union is? Option B ആണ് താലൂക്ക്. Next question, the application for registration of multi-state cooperative society is made to? Option A ആണ് central registrar. Next question, 8th cooperative congress in Kerala was held at? Option C ആണ് കണ്ണൂർ. Next question, a smaller general body constituted under section 27(2) of Kerala Cooperative Society Act 1969 is called Representative General Body. Option A ആണ്. Next question, which section of the Kerala Cooperative Society Act 1969 deals with voting right of member? Section A ആണ് 20. Next question, who is the author of the famous book Towards Cooperative Commonwealth? Correct answer is D.R. Gadgil. Richard Payne started the store with a share capital of? Option A ആണ് റൈറ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ആൻസർ, 28 pounds. Next question. All cooperative societies accepting deposit will have to maintain option D, fluid resource. Next question. Maintenance of books and accounts by societies is as per which rule of the Kerala Cooperative Society Rule? Rule 29. Option A ആണ് റൈറ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ആൻസർ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Every proposal for amendment to the bylaws of cooperative society shall be made only by a resolution passed by option B ആണ് 2/3 of majority of members represent and voting. Next question. Maximum limit for surrender of earned leave admissible to employee of cooperative society on retirement is 300 days. Next question. In cooperative society, dash is not allowed. In cooperative society, proxy is not allowed. An enquiry can be ordered for the registrar. Which of the following is an untrue statement? Option D ആണ് on application from nearby society. Section 28A of Kerala Cooperative Society Act 1969 provides for reservation of C ആണ് correct ആയിട്ടുള്ള ആൻസർ 3 of the total seat for women members in the committee of every cooperative society. The People Bank of Northern India is a book authored by option B ആണ് Dupernix. Which is the headquarter of the All India Federation of Cooperative Spinning Mills? Right answer is option D, Mumbai. Final authority of the society shall vested in option C ആണ് General Body. The Cooperative Arbitration Court entertains option B, only non-monetary issues. Mutually Aided Cooperative Society Act is prevailing in the state of option A ആണ് Andhra Pradesh. Rule 60-20 of Kerala Cooperative Society Rule prescribes two procedure for getting option B, membership. In Milk Producers Cooperative Society, value of milk is based on quality. Option D, quality. An officer appointed by the registrar as per section 72 of Kerala Cooperative Society Act 1969 for realization of asset and settlement of liabilities of a cooperative society is called liquidator. Option C, liquidator. On completion of audit of the society, the auditor shall submit option B, audit memorandum or report to the registrar. Next question. The first land development bank in the cooperative sector in our country was set up Punjab. Option C, Punjab. In cooperative society, maximum shares held by a member shall not increase 1/5 of the total share capital. Option B. Which is the upper limit of dividend that can be paid to member of a cooperative society? 25%. Option A. 40. Cooperation is included in dash schedule of Indian Constitution. 7th schedule of Indian Constitution. Option C. KSCHF was registered on 23/9/1970. Option A. The Rule 63 of Kerala Cooperative Society Rules prescribe option D ആണ് maintenance of fluid resource by societies. Next question. The dash implemented Operation Flood Program. Option D ആണ് NDDB. Coins related to option C, Insurance Cooperative Society. The shortcoming in the Act of 1904 were removed by another legislation known as Cooperative Society Act 1912. Dividend is set apart from divisible profit. Which was the jurisdiction over whole state? Option B, Apex Society. RIDCO is engaged in the distribution of agro-machinery. Option C. Khaira District Cooperative Milk Producers Union, popularly known as Amul, is in the state of Gujarat. Trading in a consumer cooperative society is normally on cash basis. For calculating trend percentage, any year is selected as option D, base year. Find the cost of sales from the following information. Option B ആണ് 10 lakh. The risk associated with a project and the way by which it is categorized by a well-diversified investor is beta risk. Compound rate at which a firm has to earn a return on its investment in order to pay a reasonable return to investors of fund as in the form of interest and or dividend is called option D ആണ് cost of capital. Very purpose for which an organization is existed is called mission. Option C, mission. What is the foundation of blue ocean theory? Correct answer is option B, value innovation. 57. Correct answer is marketing. 58. Correct answer is option D, social marketing. In accounting system, document which support journal entries is called source document. Difference between final sales value and separable cost is equal to B ആണ് net realizable value. A simultaneous purchase and sale of foreign exchange for two different dates is known as option B, currency swap. What is PMSBY? Option D, accidental insurance cover. Which one of the following is not an objective of APY? Correct answer is option B, fixed pension is paid on attaining the age of 60 years. Repo rate refers to the rate at which option C, bank deposit money with RBI. 65. MAT under section 115JB of the income tax is applicable on certain companies. The first man who advocated the view that management should and can be taught is option C, Henry Fayol. Esprit de corps means union is strength. Option D. A system of cooperative activities of two or more person is called 68B organization. Goals, aims, purpose, mission and target are collectively called C, objectives. The subordinate is given with authority to do all functions in the department is called option B, general delegation. The concept of management accounting was coined by James H. Bliss. James H. Bliss. Next question. GST is a consumption of goods and tax based on destination. Examining of past performance, exploring alternatives and planning the future is D ആണ് learning. Graph which plots series of successive observation of specific procedure, operation or step at regular time interval is called 74A ആണ് control chart. The difference between price that consumers pay and the price that they are willing to pay is called option C ആണ് consumer surplus. 76. The practice where only extraordinary or non-routine matters are referred to top level management is called management by exemption. International capital market is also called Euro market. The tax that a business pays on purchase and that it can use to reduce its tax liability when it makes a sale is called input tax credit. In cash flow estimation, depreciation shelters company income from option A, taxation. Contingencies and events occurring after balance sheet date are dealt with option B, accounting standard 4. Next question, when a person legally exploit tax system to reduce tax liability is called tax avoidance. The situation where aggregate of the par value of its shares and debentures exceed true value of fixed asset, then it is called over capitalization. AIIRR, the PI index is 83, option B ആണ് 1. A retroactive arrangement between two parties who have no previous obligation with each other is called quasi-contract. Name of present RBI Governor, Shaktikanta Das. The type of goodwill where the customers are more loyal to a brand or company is called CAT goodwill. 87. Correct answer is option B, right share. 88. That proportion of subscribed capital which remains uncalled up except in the case of winding up is called option D, reserve capital. The minimum number of shares a person must own provided in the company in order to become the director of a company is called qualification of shares. What is the excess of net asset over consideration paid? Option C ആണ് capital reserve. Next question, 91. Correct answer is option A, e-governance. Next one, GSM is globally accepted standard for digital cellular communication that is created first time in which generation of mobile communication? Option B ആണ് second generation network. Full form of SIM is 93. Correct answer is option C. Both third and fourth one are correct. Subscriber identification module or subscriber identity module. 94. Real-time exchange of text message between two or more persons over internet is termed as option D, online chat. Information Technology Act 2000 is amended in which year? 2008. Section 66E of IT Act 2000 and IT Amendment comprise punishment for violation of privacy. 95. 97. Correct answer is option D, infomania. The small text file used by browsers to remember our ID, username, etc. are known as cookies. An application software for accessing www web. It is used to navigate through web pages in World Wide Web. Correct answer is web browser. A challenge response test in the form of an image of distorted text that user must enter into to determine whether the user is human or an authorized automated bot is called. Correct answer is option D, CAPTCHA.